What's up, mi gente? Tonight we're cooking a delicious boneless beef top sirloin from Snake River Farms. I don't know if you guys have ever tried their steaks before, but they are absolutely amazing. And tonight I'm gonna be walking you through and how I make mine. I like to cook my steaks by coating them in some olive oil. The olive oil allows for the seasoning to actually stick to the steak throughout its cooking time. After being seasoned to your personal liking, I pop them in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. If you like yours medium well or medium, then I suggest that you slow down the cooking time to maybe about 20 minutes instead. And look at that. That is exactly how I like to eat mine.